Hi everyone, I am Abdirahman Haji Ahmed from Somalia. My current degree at the Open University of Malaysia, OUM University, is in project management. In this video, I would like to discuss a presentation of integration project management course. But before I begin, I want to thank the course facilitator, Professor Warsame, who helped me prepare successfully for this assignment. I also thank Simod University for providing an OUM learning center. So to show you my work, I have less than 5 minutes. In this presentation, the following topics will be highlighted. Number one is the organizational profile, the background of the project charter, the statement of work, project cost management, and the project procurement management. And finally, lastly, I will conclude my presentation with a project summary. So here we have organizational profile, the implementing partner. WAVI organization is the implementing partner. WAVI organization is a non-profit organization based in Mogadishu, Somalia. Its work began in 2001. Since then, the group has grown in terms of supporting the prostitute and providing social services. It has promoted sustainable, equitable, and participatory development through social work, community outreach, and also youth initiatives. The organization has contributed significantly to planning, action plans, and human resource development in numerous sectors, including agriculture, sustainable development, and rural development. This local NGO was created based on a community desire to address the current socio-economic issues facing by Somali people in several communities through a natural understanding and sharing and decision making. The organization's main aim is to boost the capacity of the local producers through community-led support network and with the help of government and international partners with the purpose of mitigating safe and job access for women and youth. So we have here a project background. As I mentioned it earlier, WIFE organization is the implementing partner for this project. So what is this project? What about the project? WIFE as an implementing organization is aiming to undertake a road construction and cold storage facility project in Basra village in the lower Shabelle region of Somalia. The community in Basra village and nearby communities in Afgoye district will benefit this project. It aims to improve road access while also fostering economic development and social connection for the community. The project has two main components. Number one is enhancing road access and social connectivity through the construction of 15 kilometer terminal road from Basra village to the Afgoye town. And number two, it has to reduce farmers' post-harvest loss through establishment of one cold storage facility in Basra village. Okay, WIFE organization as implementing agents will help the community to achieve this project, and the Ministry of Agriculture of Somalia will be the donor of this project, as it will ensure facilitation of the project. So the community that the project will participate directly and indirectly by the community. So to make the community environmental friendly, the project activities to make environmental friendly. So the community will be conducted activities which are environmental friendly activities to propose or to mitigate all the environmental related risks that are facing by the project. So in this slide, let us now discuss the statement of work for the project. It starts project location where the project will be implemented. This project will be implemented in Basra village which is part of Afgoye district of Lower Shabelle region of Somalia. Basra is located 45 kilometers away from capital city of Mogadishu, Somalia. Since the project it will be a partially involved road construction activity, several villages will also host the project as its target locations. These villages are Baghdad, Jambalul, and Kalifo. So the first question to be asked for this project is why this project for Basra community. So Basra community is a small strategic riverine village of Lower Shabelle, Somalia, with scattered homes and estimated of 3,000 households living in the village. 90% of those population are small-scale farmers that produce different kinds of vegetables like cabbage, lettuce, carrot, cucumber, and so on. They also produce cereal crops like maize. Okay, the problem faced by these people currently is the lack of roads. The roads are in poor condition, which make them difficult to use during rainy season. Every season, big cars and trucks that transport agricultural goods overturn on the roads near the villages of Basra and also Afgoye. And this makes a big problem for those farmers. The other problem facing by Basra community is the lack of cold storage facility because farmers face difficulties in delivering their fresh vegetables, fruits to the market on time. So they need, number one, transportation access to the market, and number two, they need a facility for cold storage facility to protect and preserve their vegetables. So WIFE organization will help Basra community and neighboring villages to achieve those objectives by providing construction 15-kilometer construction roads as well as a cold storage facility. So the project has three main objectives. Number one is the project service cold storage facility to help small-scale farmers to be access to the market, and number two, the development of thermic 15-kilometer road to facilitate the social connectivity, mobility, and also to boost their income. So we have here in this slide, this like the need assessment. We also have the work breakdown structure of this activity. That we have activities here. Let's jump into the procurement management. In this project, two main procurement activities will be carried out by the project implementing partner WIFE organization. These two main activities are delivering the activities to the materials to the site, and also the other activity of involving procurement is to purchase the materials both from abroad and local communities. So project summary, we have here a project summary. The project aims with the enhance of social mobility and increasing access to preservation facility for small scale farmers with a budget of 2 million. The project has successfully completed the building of 15-kilometer concrete roads, and also it will help to construct a cold storage facility to ensure those farmers have free market, as well as these farmers have access to the cold storage facility. The project has successfully addressed we hope that the project will successfully address those main problems faced by the Basra community. So I think the minutes I intended to present this video has already ended. So thank you for watching. Inshallah, we will have another video that will be discussing the other courses remaining for my graduation, inshallah.